I got this educational toy for my son Luigi. He's two and he's 2.5, but he doesn't really speak except mama and papa. The speech and language therapist said that he's got the speech, he's just being lazy speaking. So I've got this toy here, which I saw on Amazon. It seemed really good, but I don't know. So that's how it looks. Oh, I put it upside down. It's called Card Early Education Device. So Card Early Education Device. Let me see how it looks based on the advert. I'll be the explanation on Amazon. It's a talking device. That's how it is once it's opened. I went for the blue one because he's a boy. I didn't want to get him pink one. So it comes with this particular small device. Card Early Education Device instruction manual, a USB cable, I'm guessing to charge it, and a pack like this with a card. According to the description on Amazon, there are 224 cards in here to be used. It's got a on and off button there. So let's see. It's got a volume. There's a volume. So I guess it is rechargeable. So because it's got the USB there to be charged with this, and there's a cards. $224 they said, so I'll just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50. That is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this actually got 112 cards. So according to this, supposed to contain 56 cards with animals, 31 cards with daily necessities, 25 vehicles, 21 foods, 18 fruits, 17 vegetables, 16 costume, 10 nature, 9 color, 8 person, 8 jobs, and 5 shapes. I am going to get this charged and I'll be back to show you how it operates once it's charged. So see you in a bit. So I've charged the portable device now for just over 2 hours, and now I'm going to try out the cards. I would say, I know before I mentioned that there wasn't enough cards inside. There were only 112, but that is because they're both sides. So I guess the 112 is actually 224, like they said. So now I'm going to try the first card. So this card's got grandfather on it, and the back got sister. So let's see if it works. I've switched it on.
Grandfather.
Ah, here says grandfather. Tried a bit on the sister.
Sister.
Yeah, sister. So I will try this with him in the next couple of weeks and see if it makes a difference, if it would help him to start saying his words, because he has got all of the speech, I've been told, but he's just being lazy saying it. So this is Luigi. Look, your new toy. Let's try it. Let's say let's start with a oh, and also all of the cards are also color coded, which is very, very nice. Let's start with, say,
ice cream.
Ice cream. Huh?
Noodles.
Noodles. He actually enjoys putting the card in.
Please insert the card again.
So we have to put the other bit in.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. So I am going to use the card and I'll keep you all updated as to the progress that Luigi is making, and I hope it will help, but we'll see.
Father.
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 Father. Have to put the other side in.
Mother.
Mother. Ooh.
Mother.
Mother. Then we can say mother. Ooh, mother.
Mother.
Mother. Let's get a different one. Hang on, baby. Hang on, baby. Let's get maybe one that says horse. Want to put that one in?
Horse.
Horse. Did we get to say horse?
Horse.
Horse. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Horse.
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 Mouse.
Mouse. Really, what she likes it, isn't it? Mouse.
Mouse.
Mouse. Little little mouse. Let's try a different one. Let's try another one. Let's try another one, baby. This one bear.
Bear.
Bear. Hmm?
Bear.
Bear. Let's put the back one.
Ant.
Ant. Ant. She likes that, isn't it? Ant. Did you see that?
Ant.
Which animal is that? Which insect is that? Ant. You want to say ant? Uh-huh. Okay, you want a different one? Let's get a different one. Which one is this? Flap, flap, flap. Let's guess what it is.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. I have to put the back one. See, the back. I have to put this one. See? I have to put this is B.
Bee.
B. So thank you so much for watching. I'll keep you updated weekly. See the progress that Pierre Luigi makes using this. Thank
Rainbow.
Rainbow. See, rainbow.
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 Cloud.
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 Cloud. Okay, I want to get it. The same.
Cloud.
Cloud. Cloud. Can we say cloud?
Cloud.
Cloud.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Ostrich is a bird.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. That's an ostrich.
Please insert the card again. Squirrel.
Squirrel. That's a squirrel.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Thank you so much. If you're new, please don't fail to subscribe. Take care and bye-bye.